how to improve your reading skills for the UPSC exam. Reading is a crucial skill for the UPSC preparation. Strong reading habit which definitely help you to clear the prelims, mains and also the interview. First of all, how to improve your reading speed and retention. So first of all, you must read the newspaper, the Hindu or Indian Express, and read the editorials, opinions. Skip the political gossips and unnecessary news. First, then you should read the Yojana Gurukshetra, the magazines, that is the government schemes and rural development. For the EPW, the economical and political weekly, the deeper analysis of the economical and political matters. And you should definitely read the NCERT standard books. So this will help you, that is from class 6 to 12. Then you can go for the standard books. So first of all, develop your smart reading skills. That is read, recite and review. That is a SQ3R technique. That is a quickly glance at headings, subheadings. First of all, you should read the glance and you have to take the heading, subheading and key points and all, and then you should ask yourself after the section is finished, and also you should read actively focusing on the main ideas, and you should summarize what you read in the simple words. That recite is very much important. That is, you should summarize yourself and review, that is revisit the key points after some time. And you should have the skimming and scan for to save the time. Skimming is a read headlines and subheadings, and scanning is a quickly locate the important facts, numbers and keywords. This is a major important key for the reading skills, and also improve the speed without losing comprehension using a pointer, that is a finger or pen, while reading to prevent the skipping lines and improve the focus. Set the timer to read editorial in 10 to 15 minutes. That is a timer. If you set the timer, you finish the goal. So increase gradually. That is, start with the first page per 2 minutes. Then you can reduce it, and then you should read aloud sometimes, and you should break long sentences into short sentences. These are the important speed. Build the vocabularies. That is very much important. Underline the unfamiliar words, and you should Google, and you have the dictionary app. Then you should take the note and summarize the retention. So read, recall, revise. This is the main mantra of the UPSC preparation. First of all, you should read, revise, and then you should recall. This is the main thing. And also you should make reading daily habit, that dedicated at least 1 to 2 hours daily reading. That is very much important. And you should start 30 minutes reading the newspaper is must for the UPSC preparation. And maintain a reading journal. Possible, you should maintain reading all the government website. Then you should choose a quality material, use SQ3R technique, take notes, highlights, keywords and revise regularly. Practice the speed reading. Be consistent. This is the mantra for the improving UPSC reading skills. Thank you so much.